You know, we do get quite a lot of salt spray going up over the windscreen and in extreme cases even over the roof. I mean, I had to help out in a search and rescue exercise recently, and it was a nasty day and I didn't want to do it, but when they ask you, you've basically got to go along with it. And yeah, we were going into sort of 4-metre swells with a chop on top and with a strong wind, and a couple of waves went right over the top of the boat, up the windscreen and across the roof, and that was quite scary. Wow, I'm over the moon. I mean, I didn't expect it to be anywhere near as good as it is, and I think you took some shots of it in its original state, and now you look at it now, I mean, it looks like a new boat. I mean, it's very similar to how it was when I got it, apart from the odd blemish and the occasional ding that I've put in it. But in terms of the colour, you know, it's outstanding. Cool. I couldn't have expected it to. I was going to get it repainted, and the car painter had said to me, look, you know, if you want to get an endurable finish, you'll need to use car paint, and then we'll need to put some coats of clear over the top of it. And, you know, I was looking at a lot of money, and even if I did the prep myself. But, you know, your solution was perfect. I'm glad I bumped into you at the show.